Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create find the angle between the 3 points. It might be possible that you will get some two objects and you want to find the angle between them. So how we can do that? So let me show one preview here so that you will get the idea what we are doing here. Okay. Suppose these are the two objects. I want to find the angle between them. So how we can do that? Just click here first. First we have to plot 3 points. Okay, so this bits give me the angle. Now suppose I want to know the angle between between this two line between these two objects. So how we can do that? First I have to press R so that I can reset it. Then just plot 3 points and you will get the angle between them. So this way we can find the angle between two objects. So let's get started. How I will explain each and everything line by line. So first step, these are the libraries which we use, and these are the list. This is a list in which uh, I will store 3 points coordinates values. Okay, and you can say this is first we read the image, then I will make the copy of that image. Okay, then first I will create the window. The window name will be image. Then set mouse callback means on which window we want to add a mouse caller functionality on this window, and which function will call this mouse click function will called. This is while loop. Okay, to make the image static, we have to use we have to show the image. Then it will wait for the key to press. If it is R, it will reset all things. Means points list will be empty, and also it make image copy dot image. Okay, this one this image copy will be there because image copy basically the original image without any angle detection or anything. Okay, this is a copy of that. We will make it original image, replace this image with our original image. Then this is a empty list. I reset all points. If I press Q, it will break the loop and it destroy the window. Now as soon as I will run this Python file, I will create a window image, and after I create the window image, this function is automatically activated. Means as soon as I press lab button on the window, this function will get activated. So these are the parameters. First is the event, and xy because is the, you can say, the coordinates values of the pointer on the window of the window which we have opened, window which we open in OpenCV. And these are the keys global variable points and image. As soon as I press left button down, this event will get activated. And it if the length of the points is less than 3, initially it will be less than 3, so that's why if it shouldn't get activated, then we just append the xy value here. Okay, because xy value, the pointer value, pointer coordinates value is act as the first point. If I am talking about the first left button down, and then I will plot the circle on that area. Just use image xy, then this is a radius, this is a color. -1 means we have to fill that point. Then we have to put the text, the coordinates value, we have to put the text. So how we can do that? Just on which image, this is the image, this xy means the coordinates value we want to display, but this is a text which we want to display. And on which position, what is the position of that? This will be the position x plus 6 and y minus 6. This is a font, this is a scale, this is a color, and this is a thickness. Okay, and this is which we print length of the points. This till here it will work for 3 times. As soon as the length of the points will be is equal to 3, this if statement get activated. If it is get activated, here we get the points a, b, and c in this points list which we have created. After that, this is the lines which we draw. This is point a, first will be act as a, then b, and then c. Then this will draw the line ba and bc. The color will be this. Okay, and it thickness will be 3. Okay, now how to calculate the angle after getting this 3 points? How to calculate the angle? So for this we have made the function calculate angle. Okay, so this way we get the calculate angle. What is happening here? See, convert points a, b to vectors and create vector ba. First of all, let me show you what is the calculation going on here. So this is the calculation which we using here. Okay, suppose we get 3 points a, b, and c, and for the method or we can use here is that theta will be cos inverse ba vector, bc vector, ba and bc dot. Okay, so this will be calculated. So that's why we do some calculation here. and all this calculation is happening here. First we draw the know the vector. This is BA vector, BC vector. After that, this is a cosine angle. Okay, compute cosine angle between vector B and BQ. Dot product gives between direction. Now give the length, magnitude of each. Okay, this norm give me the magnitude. So after that, this is a cosine angle. To get the means apply inverse cosine. This one we apply the inverse cosine to get angle in radius, and after to get the angle in degree we use NP degree. So that's why this is a whole collection which we done here. Okay, and we get the angle here. There here just a explanation also, and you also get a Python code also. Okay, then after getting the angle, we just display the angle here. How we can display? Just image. This is a text which we want to display, and the position is this one. This is a position on which we display the angle, and this is a font, this is a scale, this is a color, and this is a thickness. After that, just we print the angle. As soon as the length of the point will is you can say greater than 3 or 4 times we click on the window, it will not activate it and nothing will be happen. Okay, but after when we press R, this image copy, you can say the image copy which I have make already, this replace the image which we display, replace it, and points will be get empty, pointless will get empty, and everything will be get reset. So this way it's working. Now let me run this. Okay, for example, I have run this file. This is you can say I already told you. Now let me know the angle between this. Okay, this one and this one. It's 153 angle. Okay, now let me press R. Everything will get reset. You can say reset all points. All points will get reset. As soon as I press 1, you can see point 1 is selected, point 2 is selected, point 3 is selected. This is the angle. Now let me do some. Let me press Q. Everything got vanished. Okay. Now let me press do this angle detection on second image. Okay. Now save it and just run it. Okay. So suppose this is your right angle. Let me select this. Let me select, it will give me the angle near to the 90 degree. Okay, see, near to the 90 degree. Now let me reset again. This and this one, 43 46 angle, but it is 45 degree. Okay, and then if I press again, you can see nothing got happen. After pressing R, all reset. Now let me now we can find the angle here. Now this one, and this one, it's 68. Okay, so this way we do everything. Let me press Q here. So this is the whole code which I have explained you how you can find the angle between the objects. Okay, or you can see between the lines using the mouse. Okay, so this is the whole code which I have explained you easily and line by line. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all.